If you think the AirPods Pro lineup had reached its peak, think again, because Apple just dropped the AirPods Pro 3, and this time, the upgrades are way more than small improvements. These are features that change everyday use, workouts, travel, and even communication. Honestly, these might be the first AirPods that truly feel next-gen. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we break down the biggest tech releases so you know exactly what's worth your money. Today, we're diving into Apple's newly released AirPods Pro 3, and trust me, you'll want to hear every part of this, because Apple quietly packed in features no one expected. Let's get into it. From the outside, the AirPods Pro 3 look familiar, but the internal upgrades are the most meaningful Apple has added since the original AirPods Pro. And it all begins with something we usually ignore until it fails: durability. For the first time ever, both the earbuds and the charging case are certified IP57 dust and water resistant. That means these can survive outdoor workouts, sweat-heavy sessions, dusty trails, or accidental splashes with no stress. If you're active or live somewhere humid, this alone is a massive improvement. But durability is just the start. One of the biggest upgrades, and one users will feel every single day, is battery life. The AirPods Pro 3 now deliver 8 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation turned on. 8 hours with ANC is impressive, considering most earbuds struggle without it. And in transparency mode, they last even longer. For commuters and travelers, this is a major win. Next, Apple added something completely new: integrated heart rate sensors inside the earbuds. Yep, your AirPods can now track your heart rate in real time and sync it directly with the Apple Fitness app. This means more accurate workout stats and easier fitness tracking without always relying on your Apple Watch. It's Apple's first true step into health-focused audio, and it's a big one. Now let's talk noise cancellation. The ANC on the AirPods Pro 3 is noticeably better. Apple improved the noise-canceling algorithms and microphone system, resulting in deeper suppression of background noise. Coffee shops, airplanes, traffic, everything gets quieter in a more natural, comfortable way. On the opposite end, Apple's adaptive audio also got a major polish. Transparency mode now feels even more natural, voices sound clearer, and sudden loud sounds get softened automatically. If you use the Pro 2 daily, you'll notice the upgrade instantly. And then there's the feature that feels straight out of sci-fi: live translation. The AirPods Pro 3 can translate languages in real time, right in your ear. If you travel or work internationally, this feature alone is almost magical. It's one of the most practical, future-forward additions Apple has ever added to AirPods. Sound quality also received refinements. The new drivers in audio processing make everything cleaner: sharper vocals, tighter bass, and a wider soundstage. It's still Apple's signature balanced tuning, just more detailed than before. Microphone quality has been improved as well, especially in windy environments. Calls should sound clearer and more stable, which is great for remote work or anyone constantly on calls. And of course, the ecosystem integration is smoother than ever. Instant device switching is faster, audio handoff feels more responsive, and low-latency gaming performance is better on the iPhone. Combined with longer battery life, the AirPods Pro 3 feel more reliable throughout the day. So, are the AirPods Pro 3 worth it? If you value convenience, top-tier noise cancellation, accurate fitness tracking, and next-level features like live translation, then yes, these are absolutely worth the upgrade. Here's the quick breakdown of what you're getting. IP57 dust plus water resistance for both buds and case. 8 hours of ANC listening. Heart rate tracking. Better ANC in transparency mode. improved adaptive audio, better microphones, stronger Apple ecosystem performance, real-time live translation. If you're coming from AirPods Pro 1, this is a massive jump. If you're coming from AirPods Pro 2, it's still significant, especially for fitness lovers, frequent travelers, and heavy ANC users. AirPods Pro 3 aren't just a refresh, they're the first step toward Apple's future of health-aware, environment-aware, AI-powered audio. And that brings us to the end of today's break. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we don't just talk tech, we help you understand what actually matters. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the AirPods Pro 3, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and tell me in the comments, are you upgrading or are you sticking with what you have? Stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, keep your tech vibes strong.